Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of unique industrial interior decor ideas and tips to create rustic and modern interior space with industrial styles. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Industrial interior design is a popular style that is characterized by its raw, unfinished look. It is inspired by the industrial architecture of factories and warehouses, and it often features exposed brick, concrete, and metal. Industrial decor can be both stylish and functional, and it is a great way to create a unique and modern space. What is industrial style interior design? Industrial style interior design is a design style that takes inspiration from industrial architecture. It is characterized by its use of raw materials, such as exposed brick, concrete, and metal. Industrial style also often features open floor plans, high ceilings, and large windows. How to make an industrial interior decor look? There are a few key elements that you can use to create an industrial interior decor look. First, you will need to use raw materials. This could include exposed brick, concrete, or metal. You can also use reclaimed materials, such as old shipping crates or beams. Second, you will need to create an open floor plan. This means removing walls and creating a sense of spaciousness. You can also use large windows to let in natural light. Third, you will need to use a neutral color palette. This will help to create a sense of balance and harmony in the space. You can use black, white, gray, or brown. How to decorate your house in industrial style. Here are some tips on how to decorate your house in industrial style. Start by choosing a focal point for the room. This could be a large piece of exposed brick, a metal beam, or a window. Use raw materials throughout the room. This could include concrete floors, metal tables, or leather chairs. Add pops of color with industrial-inspired accessories. This could include vintage posters, Edison bulbs, or metal sculptures. Keep the overall look simple and uncluttered. This will help to create a sense of spaciousness. Elements of industrial interior design style. The following are some of the key elements of industrial interior design style. 1. Exposed brick. Exposed brick is a classic element of industrial design. It adds a rustic and industrial touch to any space. 2. Concrete. Concrete is another popular material in industrial design. It is durable and low maintenance, making it a great choice for both floors and walls. 3. Metal. Metal is a versatile material that can be used in a variety of ways in industrial design. It can be used to create furniture, light fixtures, and other decorative elements. 4. Wood. Wood is a warm and natural material that can help to balance out the industrial elements in a space. It can be used to create furniture, flooring, and other decorative elements. 5. Open floor plans. Open floor plans are a common feature in industrial design. They create a sense of spaciousness and airiness. 6. High ceilings. High ceilings are another common feature in industrial design. They add a sense of grandeur and drama to a space. 7. Large windows. Large windows are a great way to let in natural light. They also help to create a sense of openness and connection to the outside world. Top 10 Best Industrial Interior Decor Ideas. Here are 10 of the best industrial interior decor ideas. 1. Exposed brick walls. Leave the brick walls exposed to showcase their natural texture and character. This instantly adds an industrial vibe to any room. 2. Metal accents. Incorporate metal elements like steel, iron, or copper in furniture, light fixtures, and decor pieces. These materials are synonymous with industrial design. 3. Reclaimed wood furniture. Use furniture made from reclaimed wood, such as old pallets or salvaged barn wood. It adds warmth and history to the industrial space. 4. Concrete flooring. Concrete floors are a staple in industrial design. They are durable, low maintenance, and provide an authentic industrial look. 5. Edison bulb lighting. Edison bulbs, with their filament exposed, are perfect for industrial lighting. They offer a vintage industrial feel and look great in exposed fixtures. 6. Open shelving and pipe racks. Replace traditional cabinets with open shelving made from reclaimed wood or metal pipes. This gives a warehouse-like feel and showcases your items. 7. Leather furniture. Introduce leather sofas, chairs, or cushions to add a touch of sophistication and comfort to the industrial setting. 8. Vintage industrial decor. Incorporate vintage industrial elements like old machinery, pulleys, gears, and industrial signage as decorative pieces. 9. Concrete and metal countertops. For the kitchen or bar area, opt for concrete or metal countertops to maintain the industrial aesthetic. 10. Minimalist approach. Keep the decor minimal and uncluttered, letting the exposed materials and statement pieces take center stage. Industrial interior design is a versatile and stylish style that can be used to create a variety of different looks. If you are looking for a way to add a touch of industrial chic to your home, these tips will help you get started. Remember, the key to successful industrial interior decor is finding a balance between the raw and the refined, creating a space that is both functional and visually appealing. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique industrial interior decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.